Okay. Melvin asks, is there any benefit to coming into your office rather than doing it online? Really not. You're always welcome to come by one of our offices. We're happy to greet you. Yeah, but if you're close, I wouldn't make a special trip if it involves getting on a plane or driving all day or something. I don't know if it's worth it. We're always happy to visit. We do have people come in on a daily basis. Some of our offices, a lot of people coming in. So you're certainly welcome to. But is there a benefit to it? No, other than just kind of putting a name to a face or whatever. For some people that's really important, others it's not. So technically speaking, for us to get you through the process, no, absolutely not. Most people don't. If it's important for you personally to come, put a face to the name or see us, see our office, then absolutely you're welcome to come in.